Beautiful, beautiful Sunday, everybody. I hope everybody's alright. How you doing? I'm okay. Today is the 13th of October. It's Sunday. Hope everybody had a beautiful one. I'm sitting here and I'm reflecting on the backtesting session that I had during this weekend. I'm about to have the second one. So I enjoyed yesterday's backtesting session so good. So it opened my eyes to a lot of things, and I even went through the videos that I've posted recently, and it looks beautiful, man. It looks beautiful. Opened my eyes to quite a number of things, like how I managed to get into profits with each and every trade, but I never got to close. So I thought, why not just drop a video and then just post that? So that's what I want to address here. So yeah, as I was watching the videos, I saw that there's a lot of trades that I took. Man, have you ever taken a trade and watch your own videos and you be like, what was I looking for here? So I got that, and I must say, bruh, most of the trades that I took, I wasn't following the game plan, right? I wasn't following the basic setup of the 2022 mentorship strategy that ICT teaches, right? Like, I would see that I would enter a buy, whereas on the 15-minute, we just took out liquidity, buy-side liquidity, and then that signals for a sell. But there was I taking buys. So I'm like, what was I doing there? Why would I take a trade there? Right. And there's one trade that I lost during the week. Actually, two of them that I lost, where should I have just have aimed for a low-hanging fruit. I could have done beautifully on that trade, but I didn't take any profits. And even in my personal account, it's been a problem for a while. I would take a trade, it would run into, let's say maybe I deposited 100 rands, right? I just want to flip that account to maybe 1,000 or 700, because my first target is 7, and then from 7 I have to make 2.4, right? Regardless in how many days, that's just the basic flipping strategy that I have, risk management strategy that I have. A trade would get in and give me something like 150 to 250 rands. Bro, I wouldn't take that. And in a space of like 4 minutes with around 7 to 10 handles there. So I wouldn't do that, bro. And then I'm thinking to myself, why? Why such greed, bro? Because I can literally make 50 rands within like 2 minutes. Whereas somebody has to wait. Normally, when I was working in retail, I would wait a long time. Like, imagine having to stand there for an hour only for you to earn like 20 rands, 25 rands max, or whatever the rate may be for that particular company that you're working for. Right? And then I was failing to close trades. Right? So I figured I'm gonna need to bounce back from the losses that I had during this week. I think I can cover that during the week and bring the account just to break even. So my target for the upcoming week is 3 to 5%, and just getting the account somewhere back to break even, right? But you will see with the executions that I'm gonna post. You will see. So it's been beautiful. It's been beautiful to see how well I could have just had a trade, like a short scalp, like 4 to 5 handles, 5 to 8 handles, and then that's it. So I'm still to write rules down, but based on what I've seen, when I'm looking at the previous papers that I have, like, bruh, every week, every day, there's like a trade that has a risk of around 3 handles, and then I'm getting in and out within minutes, right? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna aim for going forward. Even if I was to risk 10 handles and then make 5, I don't think I have a problem with that, right? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do going forward. But I saw how beautiful the week will turn out, right? I saw it with the live data, and even with trades that I've had before, they will just be profitable, bro. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I'm also gonna post the video where I backtested. Maybe I should post it, right? But I was writing everything down on paper. There's nothing basically I was doing on MT5. I was just pointing the times, and then based on the time conversions that I have in my mind, I would just note that down. I was focusing on, is that trade a buy or a sell? How many handles did I have? Obviously I'm aiming for 5. How many handles in drawdown did it go? And then how long did the trade take overall? Right? And then what time of day is it? I was backtesting the New York AM session, right? Especially around 9:30, with the main focus being the kill zone there during that time, right? So one of the things that I saw was that, man, I'm always watching the market at around that time. Why not just get my 5 handles maybe 2 times during that session and then get out? And then that's it for the day. I'm done. I could easily get 1% or 1.5% every day if I do that, but I don't know, man. We will see. We'll see how we do. Even if I was just to get 0.5% in profit every day, that will amount to 2.5% at the end of the week. So I don't have a problem with that, but we will see, bro. We'll see. It was a beautiful backtesting session, right? So yeah, I just wanted to pass that. I told you, if I am busy getting into a losing streak, the best way for me to relieve my mind off of stress and other psychological barriers is just for me to go and backtest and see where have I been getting it wrong for the past few weeks or the past few days. And it worked, bro. It worked. I can feel that my confidence is back up, and I feel good overall. I feel like, I don't know, I've seen something where I've gotten it wrong. Yeah, and by the way, I told you that I'm gonna get 30 days worth of data. So I think I did around 25 days worth of data. So I did 5 weeks of the testing, right? Because every week says I'm only a Monday to Friday. So that's 5 days times 5 in 5 weeks. That will be like 25 days. Because here with me, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope that's a 6. Okay, I only back tested 5 days of data, right? So each and every session has at least one trade that I can take, right? Some days have 2, some days the best days have got like, the best weeks have got like 2 or more trades that I can take in that time period, and then the worst trading weeks have got like only 1 to 2 on average, right, of trades that I can take. But it is what it is, man. One trade is good. If I could just get my 5 handles and then get out, that would be good. Anyway, I just wanted to drop that and then have something that I know that I have met my target for producing a video on YouTube for the week. And not just only a video that more rather content that I know it's worth benefit for me to look at in the long run. This is gonna help me out. Already having to look at the trades that I do has improved my psyche a lot. Many people don't like to listen to themselves when they create messages over WhatsApp. They'll be like, is that me? Of course, man, that's you. So it helps a lot to listen to yourself, to look at yourself, and do an introspection on that so that you can improve, bro. People who listen to themselves, even motivational speakers who listen to themselves, or whoever that observes whatever it is that they are doing, they tend to be quite better at it in the long run. So that's what I'm doing as well.